And welcome back to Overtime. Bitcoin is falling today, but it's still a major winner this year, more than doubling in 2024. And crypto investors, they're very enthusiastic about 2025, expecting friendly policy from President-elect Trump. Joining us now is BitGo CEO Mike Belshi. BitGo is a cryptocurrency trading and storage platform. Hey, good to see you, Mike.
Hey, Frank. Good to see you also.
All right. So, Mike, we were just talking about it just now. Bitcoin, huge run up year to date, even bigger run up after the election. What's going to push this higher? What isn't already priced in?
Actually, I think the regulatory is somewhat priced in, but in general, we've seen that these news events don't always price in until they're actually here. So, look, we have a new administration coming in. Things look very promising. People are very excited. They're very bullish, but it's not here yet. So, actually, I think we're going to continue to see the effects of that all through 2025. Remember that for the last 2.5 years, we've had not just a regulatory environment that didn't want to help you. We had a regulatory environment that was actively trying to kill you. So all of a sudden, with that changing in the opposite direction, we're going to continue to see good gains next year.
All right. What about David Sachs? He's going to be the, quote unquote, crypto czar. Do you think that's not priced into some of these upside moves we've seen in crypto?
I think it's indicative of what this administration is about. They want to see innovation happen. They want to see it happen here in America. They want to see America's strength. So, David Sachs helping both on the AI side as well as on the crypto side is phenomenal. He happens to be a big investor in BitGo. I've known David for 10 years, I think, at this point. So, look, he's a phenomenal mind. He's been seen all over the All In podcast over the last couple of years, and people see exactly how capable this man is. So I think he's going to be a great help to the administration, and he's going to help make sure that the policies that they're looking for come through.
Do you expect to see in 2025 more companies adding Bitcoin to their balance sheet? That obviously was a big theme of 2024. And I'm curious if you think that continues and whether there's any kind of reputational risk that goes along with that size of purchase of Bitcoin.
It's absolutely going to happen. We're talking with multiple clients right now about doing that. It's been a conversation for the last couple of years, but frankly, the regulatory changes make it a lot easier. Having ETFs available make it a lot easier. People don't remember exactly how much balance sheet cash some of the largest, top 7 companies have. I mean, it's hundreds of billions of dollars. So having some access to Bitcoin into that portfolio, into that treasury management, just makes sense. And remember, it's a hedge against whether the U.S. can curtail inflation. And while we're optimistic about what's going to happen with the new administration over the next few years, America has not had a track record at all of being able to curtail spending. So if we're going to continue to see monetary supply go up, Bitcoin is the perfect hedge against that.
Is there a concentration risk, though, if companies do start to adopt this en masse?
Some people talk about that from would ETFs become mass accumulators of Bitcoin? I don't see that as a immediate problem at all, and I think we're going to see a mixture because we do talk with corporates, but a mixture of some taking self-custody, others using different providers, and then using the ETF. So I don't think it's a foreseeable problem. It could become a problem in the long term, but we'll see how that goes.